You wonder what a $6.5 million house has to offer here in the South Pacific coast of Costa Rica? This is the right video. We're here to find out. This is Kevin Champagne with Osa Tropical Properties. Let's go for the video. So we're starting right here in the driveway of the house, leading up to the carport, two-car carport right here, and then a two-car parking lot right there. Beautiful gate. And then on this side, we have beautiful ocean view right from the parking lot. This is amazing. So now let's go inside the house. Look at that. This is the beautiful entrance right there. Amazing door. Cute. So as soon as we came in, we have beautiful garden on the right. So it's glass here, and all of this is going to be fully grown. Beautiful jungle inside the house, and then this beautiful piece of onyx lights up at night. It's beautiful. So we have on our left right here, we have one of the master bedroom. We're gonna see in a bit. We have a full bathroom, access to the barbecue area and terrace. And right here, another planter. We have the guest quarters down below. Second story up here, and beautiful kitchen right here. Dining area, and then living room. This is just amazing. And then everything is glass, floor to ceiling, glass in the living room. Here as well in the dining room, we see the mountain view. And then we have a little shallow pool right here, and the jacuzzi down there, the wraparound pool that wraps around the entire living room. And then we have the yoga deck right there with a full bedroom, master bedroom down below. Look at the beautiful ocean view from here. We are on the ridge, so we see right here the beautiful Pacific coast here, beautiful ocean. And then on the other side, we see the beautiful mountain. And we also see sometimes the Diamante waterfall. This is a waterfall that we see from this ridge. Everywhere we see the Diamante waterfall. It's huge, so we can see it from afar. We have the barbecue area. Beautiful entertaining room. It's beautiful, right beside the full kitchen and dining room. Everything is KitchenAid, very high-end appliances. And this right here, instead of having something on the ceiling, this comes up and is the extractor for the cooktop. This is amazing. There you go. Let's go down to the living room. This is a smart house as well, so all the lights can be controlled with your smartphone or a tablet that is right here. I'm going to show you a little later. This is the wraparound pool, beautiful. Look at the ocean view on this side, and then the mountain view on that side, and jungle all around as well. Yesterday there was white-faced monkeys on these trees, and then the other day there was howler monkeys right here as well. So a little shallow pool has a little waterfall down right beside the jacuzzi. This is a hot tub as well. Beautiful pool. Infinity edge. and then cascades down towards the yoga deck right there, creating a beautiful sound for yoga. It's beautiful, or meditation. And then down there, there's the additional master bedroom right there. So, what do you think so far? This is beautiful. What do you think? Okay, so let's go see the rest of the house. Beautiful art piece right here with a planter. This is the tablet I was talking about. So this right here is how you control the sound system, the lighting of this house. This is the only master bedroom on the first floor with its own terrace and ocean view. And also a beautiful bathtub right here on the terrace. Shower right here, double sink, then toilet right there. And then we have the closet right here. Right here we have the bathroom, guest bathroom, and access to barbecue area, entertaining area. Very cool. Let's go to the second floor now. Beautiful windows to the mountain view on this side. This is another living room right here. You could do a TV room, or if you don't like TV, everything is behind the picture frame right here, or the TV. But if you don't like it, you put the picture frame. Beautiful view right here on the living room. "22-foot high ceilings." The deck is plastic that look like wood, so it doesn't rot. Look at that. So right here, we saw the monkeys the other day. That was beautiful. Large terrace in front of the 2 guest bedroom right here, and then the master bedroom at the very end. But we're gonna go from the other side to be able to look at the walkway right here, corridor. So we have 1 guest bedroom right here, 1 guest bedroom right here, master, and then we have the, this is the office, and this is the gym. Beautiful gym. All set up for a TV right there. Imagine a couch right here, and then some equipment right here. This is huge. Imagine working out right here. You have a beautiful view of the jungle and the mountain behind. Go see the office right now before we go see the bedrooms. So this is the office. You have your electrical outlets down below. again, beautiful view of the jungle. You're gonna have the monkeys right here while you work, and then while you work out, because it's the same. It's right in front of boat, right here. Beautiful. And then right here we have the terrace that leads up to the beautiful entrance. Look at that. Is this not amazing? So now we're gonna go to the 2 guest bedroom. Okay, let's start with this one. So there's no furniture in them because this house doesn't come with any furniture. So the furniture that we have here is actually rented, and it was to take the pictures. So there's a furniture package already designed for this house that is for sale apart. So you can hire your own people to design your own furniture package, or you can buy the one that is already designed for this house. So we have the bathroom right here. It's not totally finished. The mirrors are not on the wall yet, but this is a beautiful guest bedroom, imagine. And then you get out right here to the beautiful terrace with ocean view. We have master bedroom, but first we're gonna go see the other master bedroom, the other guest bedroom, I'm sorry. This is a mirror image of the one we just saw, again with the beautiful terrace and ocean view. Right here, the bathroom. This one is completely finished. And then I forgot to tell, there is a beautiful skylight, from this in both bathrooms. This is a nice feature, very nice feature. Okay, off to the master bedroom. This is amazing. Beautiful ocean view. Little planter right outside of the master bathroom. This is amazing. So bed goes right here. This is the closet right there. This is another onyx little feature that lights up at night. It's beautiful. This is part of the walk-in closet. And then we have the beautiful master bedroom right here. Shower, we have bathtub, planter, and ocean view. And then right here, we have right there. Beautiful. What do you think? This is amazing. This is an amazing house. There's so much to offer in this house. There's the caretaker's quarter in the house. There's the gym. There's the 5 master bedrooms. You have the yoga deck. You have the guest bedroom that has a little kitchenette, the one right below the yoga deck. A wraparound pool right here. A massive ocean view. This is fresh. It's so high that you have a very good breeze that comes in the house all year long. This is amazing. So now there's 2 things that we need to see. The guest quarters, not the guest quarters, the caretaker's quarters right here. And this is awesome because this is the laundry room. So they clean everything inside of their quarters. We have the bathroom right here. We have the bedroom right here. And then on this side, we have storage right here. We have, this is the lighting system and storage as well. And their kitchen. And the kitchen here is massive because if you want a catering service that will work here in your house, but you don't want to use the main kitchen, this is the kitchen they're going to use. So that's why the Caretaker's quarter has such a big and beautiful kitchen. Now we're going to go to the yoga deck and we're going to go see the the guest bedroom that is underneath the yoga studio that has a little kitchenette as well. So to go there, we have to go through this little walkway. Look at the beautiful mountain view on the right. And right here, they actually left the trees through the walkway. We have all along the pool, we have the little waterfall, and then this is the yoga deck. And just a little note, right here, this lot right there is where they launch on paragliding. So I did it myself, it's amazing. So sometimes you're doing yoga right here or you're on your living room and then you see the people flying by on paragliding. This is amazing. So let's go see it a little closer. Again, beautiful ocean view. And this is what you see. Look, beautiful mountain view on the back. Beautiful view of your own house. And then the ocean view that you can open up. You know, you cut little branches here and there, and then you open up your view. But all the trees right here is very nice to have because during the day and on a sunny day, you cannot do yoga right here. It's way too hot. So the trees right here allows you to be here every time of the day. So this is a very nice feature. So that's why nobody here didn't want to cut the trees. So if you want to cut or trim a little bit of the trees, that's up to you. But I would suggest you leave a little bit of shades. So this, we're going to the master bedroom right here, below the yoga deck. Look at the ocean view from here. This is amazing. It's really amazing. So we have bedroom, we have bathroom right here, beautiful bathroom. And then on the back, we have the little kitchenette. This is such an amazing home. I don't know about you, but this is amazing. And another view of the pads where they launch in paragliding. Sometimes you see 10 people jump in almost at the same time. It's amazing. So this was it for the walkthrough of this house. I hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoy coming here. Every time I come here, it's just, the weather here is perfect. Beautiful ocean view. This is peaceful. It's really a nice, very nice property. So this was the walkthrough of the $6.5 million house here in Escaleras, Costa Rica. And if you want more information, contact me directly. I will be happy to assist, and or any other team members here at Osa Tropical Properties. We will be happy to help. So until next video, take care.
Oh my God. Woo-hoo-hoo. Whoa! Look at the house. Oh my God. Wow. Woohoo. Se siente.